It's the year 2896, and King Cartel has made peace with the Red Yay people, moving on to new endeavors. Happiness, however, is short-lived, as from beneath the sea, a giant vortex appears, unleashing 1,000,000 half-man, half-shark creatures clad in shiny gold suits. They lay claim to the land of man, accusing humanity of stealing the spice, the liquid gold and the oil, demanding something in return. Suddenly, an explosion rocks a digital quantum mind refinery, igniting the war. The shark people want it all, and now King Cartel must rally his people to stand united, or face starvation and death as the enemies pillage Kingston. In the war room, King Cartel stands before a holographic map of Kingston, rallying his diverse citizens, their expressions a mixture of fear and determination. The tension in the air is palpable as they prepare for the inevitable conflict. On the beach, chaos erupts as the shark creatures clash with the united forces of Kingston. Explosions illuminate the night sky, showcasing the bravery of warriors in makeshift armor as they fight fiercely against the golden-suited invaders. The battle intensifies as an aerial view captures the chaos on the beach, where waves crash violently against the shore, smoke rising in the distance amid makeshift barricades. King Cartel, brandishing a glowing sword, leads his warriors into the fray, determination etched on his face as they prepare to defend their home. Behind him, citizens rally with improvised weapons, united in their fight against a formidable foe, determined to protect everything they hold dear. As the battle rages on, a close-up of King Cartel's face reveals the weight of leadership. Sweat glistens on his brow, showcasing his fear and fierce determination as he locks eyes with the golden-suited shark leader in a tense standoff beneath a stormy sky. Around them, the battlefield erupts with chaos, shark creatures, and Kingston warriors grappling fiercely, mud and water splattering everywhere, their expressions reflecting the desperation and valor that drives them into the heart of conflict. In a pivotal moment, King Cartel and the shark leader engage in an epic sword duel, their weapons clashing with incredible force, sparks flying through the air under ominous storm clouds, illuminated by flashes of lightning. As the battle subsides, the aftermath unfolds, revealing exhausted warriors from Kingston tending to their wounded. They gather around King Cartel, who stands resolute yet weary, gazing out at the ocean, where the defeated shark creatures retreat, a mix of relief and sorrow etched across his face. As dawn breaks, a serene scene unfolds over the ocean, where the sun casts a golden light on the battlefield, now littered with remnants of the fierce conflict. King Cartel stands alone at the water's edge, deep in thought, reflecting on the sacrifices made during the battle. Meanwhile, the people of Kingston come together united and hopeful, beginning to rebuild their community as they carry supplies and set up shelters. Determination and resilience shining in their faces amidst the aftermath. King Cartel stands before the gathered townspeople on a makeshift platform, the ocean serving as a poignant backdrop. His expression is a blend of pride and somber reflection as he speaks about unity and the importance of rebuilding after their trials. A montage unfolds, showcasing the community's efforts, children planting seeds in a new garden, families diligently repairing their homes and friends, sharing meals, painting a vibrant picture of resilience and the strength of their bonds. Beneath the waves, a group of divers in sleek underwater gear embarks on an exploration of a vibrant coral reef, uncovering the mysteries of an ancient shipwreck. Sunlight filters through the clear blue water, casting an enchanting glow over the scene. In a stunning close-up, a majestic shark glides effortlessly, showcasing its powerful form amidst the colorful marine life, embodying the grace and wonder of the ocean's depths. As the divers approach the shipwreck, their faces light up with awe at the sight of ancient artifacts and remnants of a long-lost civilization nestled in the ocean's embrace. In a captivating moment, a school of vibrant fish swirls around the majestic shark, creating a mesmerizing dance of color and movement as they harmoniously navigate through the intricate coral structures surrounding them. King Cartel, accompanied by a team of enthusiastic divers, stands before a large ancient stone tablet etched with mysterious symbols that hold the secrets of the past. Their expressions are filled with excitement and curiosity as they work together to uncover its meaning. Meanwhile, the scene shifts to a breathtaking coral garden, bustling with diverse marine life, where the shark navigates confidently through the vibrant corals, embodying the untamed spirit of the ocean that thrives beneath the waves. With careful precision, the divers uncover a treasure chest nestled within the wreckage, overflowing with gold coins and sparkling jewels, their eyes wide in disbelief at the fortune before them. In that moment of triumph, King Cartel lifts a magnificent jewel into the sunlight, its facets glistening brilliantly, as he shares an elated smile with his fellow divers, celebrating their incredible discovery and the adventure that had led them there. As the divers encircle the treasure chest, sheer joy and astonishment light up their faces, marveling at the incredible wealth they have unearthed from the hidden depths of the ocean. King Cartel stands proudly treasure, cradled in his arms, surrounded by his jubilant team of divers, all donning their diving gear, grinning widely as they celebrate their extraordinary adventure against the enchanting backdrop of the underwater world. With determination, the divers meticulously begin packing the treasure into waterproof bags, their concentrated movements reflecting the significance of their incredible find as they prepare to ascend to the surface. In a breathtaking underwater view, colorful schools of fish dart around them, while radiant beams of sunlight pierce through the water, illuminating the treasure-filled scene, creating a magical atmosphere that captures the essence of their remarkable journey.